But we haven't filmed that. Don't think it's really video worthy for YouTube. Good morning. It's been a while since I've done a homestead update. Because to be honest, the homestead isn't really happening at the moment. Yes, we're keeping the chickens and the quail and we're planting and growing a few things, but our minds are elsewhere. Dee's away today over in the city for her maternity appointment, and that has been the focus recently. We're not really that keen to grow a load of things to harvest, because the baby's due September, October time, and I think we're going to be really busy with a baby. Too busy to harvest a lot. So we are basically down in tools and just maintaining. That's why you haven't seen too many updates from us about the homestead. We have plenty of other ideas, plenty of things that we are doing, but just not planting to harvest when the baby's due. Well, as you can see, it's another murky day up here in Orkney. This the mist, has been with us for about 3-4 days it has, and hasn't cleared up. It's not only Dee that's broody at the moment. Most of our hens have gone broody, and they're all sat on eggs at the moment. So, I'm going to see if there are any eggs that the one hen that isn't broody has laid. I hope there is. I haven't had hen eggs for a while. The quail, on the other hand, are laying about 2 a day, which is awesome. Hello, broody. Hello, broody 2. And hello, broody 3. We have been planting up some of the herb garden though. Peppermint, mint, spearmint, comfrey, that's always a good one. Pennyroyal, sage, basil, rosemary, lavenders. They've all gone in. Seeds mostly, so you can't really see a lot up there. But we did put a few bits in. And our rhubarb is going great guns it is. It's huge. That's probably 9-10 years old, that plant. And it always pleases us. We've been splitting it, giving it to some neighbours, and it's still mahusive. I can hear a car. Must be the postman. Awesome. Our rosehip bushes have taken over this entire area by here. They're mahusive. I don't know where they all came from. I really should cut them back in the autumn, use the wood for kindling, and try and plant something else instead of rosehips. We have also planted gooseberries, red currants, black currants, and a few other types of currants. I'm not sure what they're. Into the quail cage. Only 3 eggs so far today. Probably be another 3 later on from our 3 gills. Anyway, if this weather clears up later, I may go for a wander down the cliffs. So, I will see you all again soon. Ta-ra!